This is Ron Vargo with Peterbilt of Atlanta, down here on a rainy day in Jackson, Georgia. Rain for you dump truck drivers means it's a good opportunity to come in and see me to put one of these in your fleet. It's a 2025 Peterbilt 589, 16-foot insulated ox body, electric tarp, 20,000-pound steer axle, the 315 22.5 steer tire. Your front toe pin, 4 air horns up on the roof with a stainless visor, £46,000 Chalmers rear suspension with 430 gears, 22.5 drive tires. Your air and electric is run to the back for your trailer if you decide to put a pintle hitch on it. Let's take a look under the hood. So you've got a 500 horse Cummins X15. Behind that, it's coupled with an 18-speed Packard TX18 Pro 18-speed automated transmission. Let's take a look inside. Leather seats, bed controls, cup holders, rear mat pocket, your switches, your locking differentials, extra gauges, multi-function steering wheel, Cobra CD radio. It's a good looking truck and ready to go to work for you. We have one more of these units available. The sister truck to it over here, not the one with the drop visor, is spec'd exactly the same other than the bed is black. The white 567 sitting next to it with the black body is also available, but the other two are sold. So give me a call, 706-372-4698. And let's put these trucks to work for you.